welcome back. Mrs. Matilda here. I am going to go over our March science spin, and it is caring for baby. This baby cheetah was born at a zoo. She needed help. Can you guess who helped her? And this baby cheetah's name is Chris. So, puppy pal. Baby cheetahs need a lot of care. Chris's mom could not take care of her. The zookeepers give Chris food and a safe place to live. But Chris needs more. She needs to run and play. She needs a furry friend. Who helps with this? Ramus the dog helps. Ramus gives Chris just what she needs. This is Ramus, and this is Chris. So in the pink box, Chris needs to run. Ramus helps. Ramus grabs a toy. He runs with the toy. Chris chases him. She runs and runs. She gets the exercise that she needs. In the green box, Chris needs to play. Ramus helps. Baby cheetahs are shy and scared. Ramus is not. Ramus shows Chris how to play. Playing with Ramus helps Chris feel brave. Purple box. Chris needs cuddles. Ramus helps. He lets Chris get close. His furry body is warm. Chris cuddles Ramus and she gets love. So very cool. Let's turn the page. So, fill in the answers to show what you know. Who helps at the zoo? Dogs help baby cats at the zoo, but they don't do everything. So here's the baby cat in the pictures. Here's what the baby needs: cleaning, food, love, and play. And does a dog help? Does the dog help with cleaning? Yes. Does the dog help with food? No, the dog would eat the food. Does the dog help with love? Yes. And does the dog help with play? Yes. All right, let's go through our answers. Here we go. Number 1. Does a dog help the baby play? Yes or no? Which one do you think? Yes, it does. Question number 2. Does a dog help baby get love? Let's go up to love and look. What's your answer? Yes or no? Yes, it does. Question number 3. Does a dog help the baby get clean? Oh, look up here. What's the dog doing? Look at the answer. Yes or no? Yes. Number 4. What does a dog not help with? Play, food, or love? So let's look up here. Play. Does the dog help with play? Yes. Does the dog help with food? No, the dog would eat the food. Does the dog help with love? Yes. So what's our answer? The dog does not help with food. Good job.
Good work.
See you later. Good job.